Hi, welcome again to JBO. Today we are discussing on the new payment gateway that you build in a Wazapar and stack post. And not even you can use in this field, you can use anywhere with API. Okay? So here is I'm logging and first I have to show you how it's work. Okay, so okay, now I do a payment of 1 rupees in a inner. Now I open up my application. Okay, now I have to pay.
₹1 received on Team SBI Pay.
Okay, the payment was successfully, and now you can see the refer number and payment gateway IDs. Now you can see this one is a refer 76105 76105. Okay, so I'm nothing to add any API and something else. You don't need any API keys and something, and you can receive payment automatically verified. Here I can get you demo, but still you need only for I built this one in a device API, and you must receive this of SBI API. Okay, and you can use this one for use, and this one is a separate API and this one is a separate API. We have two UPI API like SBI API and UPI API. Okay, so you don't need to add anything. You just click on add device. Okay, and after that you can download this app and install in your mobile. After that you scan this QR. After your device was linked, this will perfectly run in your mobile. Okay, after that you receive your device code ID, profile ID and passwords. Okay, so you can do the payment as well as you can see here. This is my mobile. Okay, just like that. You see, this one is my mobile, and the and I can send the message directly from here. I also send this one to everywhere. Just wait, I show you how. You can see this one. Okay, I want to select the sim and I want to hit the answer. 98955 Hello, brother, and send. See, this device connected with this one directly use. Okay, we have the SBI API on here. You can use anywhere in your website, whatever you want. You just need to plug and play directly, no need anything. Okay, so chill. And here I show you how it's possible to work and how it's not. We can easily do it because of I get the number and the UPI ID as a default of the customer. Just like I have this UPI address, and after that I will just add a balance only. If you don't trust, I can do it as a live again. If I try two rupees, and after that we can. Okay, I pay again on this QR. You think I am just thinking so? Just a wait, my mobile was disconnected. Okay, my mobile was disconnected, so I can again running this one. Okay, sorry. This one is a live. You see 2:47 and 2:47 was time was here. I'm recording on that time, and now this you see I just scanning the upper off and the scanning. Sorry, this one again delink the mobile. Out. Wait, I just taking out the mobile specified. Okay, now it's working. Actually, my mobile is not disconnected from this PC. Now you see I scanning this QR and I added 2 rupees. Okay, now I have to pay again the same account.
2 rupees received on Beam SBI Pay.
Now you again check this one is a 5-3. Okay, now go to the transaction 4-1. This one is a transaction ID. This is the live 415322. Okay, so this is the default. Okay, so you don't need anything. You can add just like that and working. And we have second UPI option on there, so you can get the payment directly inside. We also add on here. If you want, then you can do it as well as just like I was just taking this plan. Okay, after that I use Indian UPI, and I want to add this QR, and after that I have to submit UPI ID. This one is a second UPI. Okay, so I have to scan again this same thing. Okay, and now I have to pay the 199 rupees from here, but I think it's not have the sufficient balance. I know this one is a not because we are not transferring this. So we can, if we can pay here and after enter the UPI ID and submit, then it will be match on this on here. So this transaction will be done. After that you can use it on there. You can cancel this one, then it will be cancelled, and again go to home. Okay, so we have two methods. One is the automatic refill and second was the going of that. So I have a API source code in a PHP also we built for the examples. So you can, if you need, then you can download it from there. Okay, if you need this one, not this one you can use anywhere, but simplify. This wallet was also secured to you, and we have two methods to create it or implementation inside here. Okay, so happy coding. If you need this UPI codes and without your account ban and something else, you need a payment, so you can take it this source code and you can use it in your system and you can provide to your customer directly. Okay, happy coding.